bird's eyes are covered,
and his
feathers are covered.
whoever's doing this is trying to destroy this bird.
Who is even
I didn't
putting
hold
in the
this.
eye?
I know. This is so mean.
I throw it.
No, 1 minute. Wait.
But
At least we're helping him.
Yeah, we'll throw.
At least we're helping him.
Papa, you're doing on the eye also.
Yeah, I will do in the eye also. But
Papa is a genius.
Poor little birdie.
Can you hold this?
Oh, I'm scared.
Hold this, no? Hold this bird.
Here you can see it. I'm going to zoom in.
I'm so scared. This is my first time catching a bird in real life.
This is Papa. He caught it and he's removing all the tape and everything from this body so that
Who's doing this? I'm just
I
guessing
know.
who's doing this.
I know, right? Like, how would they put tape?
Why did you hold this?
If it was the government's friends,
Oh my
the
God.
government would.
Be fired. I'm scared of its very long beak.
Papa, if we help a boat, will the boat treat us nice or will it just do anything?
You hold Ray. Talking too much.
Tell me when you want to stop the video, okay?
Yes.
Who's doing this?
We have to say somebody. Ooh, look at the
Arun,
feathers.
hold here. Like
Man, I wish we
hold
could
tightly, nothing
tell
will-
some police or like that about this bird.
Oh,
This is very sticky place.
Who has the time to buy this? Who has the time to catch a bird and tape it?
Papa,
well done. Now. Can you hold like this? Hold like this.
Okay.
Hold no.
I'm just going to show over here.
oh, on the eye. Who puts tape on somebody's eye?
I know, right?
Take this.
Poor
If you
little
put in-
bird.
In the dustbin?
Whoever did this, I am so mad at them. You can see its eye. It's getting hurt, Papa. Do you have anything to close its beak? Oh my God, I'm scared, Papa. How do you...
Who did this?
Oh my God, I'm so sad for this. So, no,
Can you-
No, I can't.
no,
hold it.
please, no, no,
I'm
no,
not
no.
holding the beak. Ask that man.
At least there's somebody.
Somebody nice.
You hold, no, don't
No,
get
I
scared.
don't
See,
want
Papa.
to.
See. Papa
I
is.
don't want to do it.
Arey,
It
then
can't
only.
breathe. Look.
Arey, it will breathe.
I won't do it. I don't want to do it. Ask somebody from here only.
They can be generous enough. Papa, I don't think so. You should be doing this. Maybe because of the quarantine and like that.
Yeah, I think also.
If you don't do, that bird will die.
Then please do. I don't want this bird to die. Oh, it's getting so much pain.
Need help. You guys are not helping
I'm
me.
not helping because
Pause the video. Cancel the video.
No, not cancel.
should I end it?
Stop it and then again.
No. 1 minute.
Hold tight. Hold tight. No. See, nothing it will do. Hold.
Nothing will do.
Ah.
Believe.
Another eye.
Another eye is also there. Hold.
Oh, I'm so scared. 1 second, Papa.
Kushi.
Oh my God,
Hold
it's
na.
scared.
We are saving a bird's life.
Can you just...
Hold like tight.
I am so scared. Sorry, Papa. 1 second.
You have to shift it.
This
Tight,
bird is
Ray.
not allowing.
You have to. What bird is not allowing? Hold tight.
I'm so sorry, bird. You're in this pain. If I was you, I would cry to death.
Oh!
Now
Okay.
we leave.
Okay.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
We just saved the bird.
We saved a bird life.
Hi.
Are you feeling happy to save the bird?
Yeah.
Aryan, you happy to save the bird? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm stuck in grass.
Mm. But if we wouldn't have saved, no, ants would have ate because they, whoever has done, they close the eyes as well as they close the feathers
Yeah.
so that
So
they
that
will
it
not be
can't fly.
and eyes closed means
Very
you cannot
dangerous.
see also.
It's
So,
very dangerous.
You know, the big ants would have ate that bird. So
I just saw a big ant, so that's good.
you're happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy to save that bird's life.
Okay, bye.